In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone without cloning. So go ahead and open WhatsApp. Once you have WhatsApp open, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right of your screen. And here you're going to see settings. Tap on settings. And this will bring you to your WhatsApp settings. Under settings, tap here. And you'll see add accounts. Tap on add accounts. And start the registration of a new account. Here you can proceed with your number. But if you have another phone that you're logged in on WhatsApp and you want to add it as a companion device so you can manage the two accounts on the same device, you can also tap on the top right of your screen and you see link as a companion device. So follow through with the registration. Once you're logged in successfully on WhatsApp, you'll be able to switch between the two accounts. And you can do this by tapping on the three dots at the top right of your screen and you'll see switch accounts in this section. Tap on switch accounts. And this will switch your WhatsApp profile. You can still also go through settings and tapping on this. Here you see your two accounts and you can switch between them. So thank you for watching this video on how to use two WhatsApp accounts without cloning. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.